right through the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end. 'Cause you've been a good friend.
Let's make it up on
Almost there.
What do you mean almost?
Almost done.
Biscuits?
Yeah.
I always shake it up.
I want to taste it. Crap.
That's good. Maybe shake a little bit.
Just need a splash. Just to make them fluffy.
Yeah.
Stir all the way around. Stir all the way around. There you go. Get the sides. Cool.
That's weird.
It's just eggs. Pour them in here now. Yum. Oh.
Are you gonna make the ones that have the yolk inside? Those ones are the best.
All eggs have yolks inside.
No, no, no. Like make the eggs that have like the not scrambled. Are you gonna make scrambled eggs?
Yes. Thank you. Since these are in a cast iron skillet, I'm going to go ahead and flip these over so they don't continue to cook. Man, those are perfecto.
You haven't had an egg. You had an egg today? You haven't had an egg in a long time. No, I have a banana for breakfast.
No, baby, we're fixing to have some biscuits, eggs.
Okay. Okay.
We need to turn the heat down just a little bit. Right in the middle where those sausages were, the caramelization of the, whenever I bought the sausage, I bought the maple ones, and it kind of caramelized there in the middle of the pan, but as you can tell, even though this is a cast iron pan, it's virtually non-stick. A lot of people don't like to cook on cast iron because they don't know how to season them correctly. They're so easy to take care of. You can be a little ornery with it if you want, Mom. You can scrape it. That's a good thing about it. A good thing about a cast iron pan is you don't have to worry about damaging it. Go ahead and get it off that burner and slide it over.
Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I can't.
Well, here's the deal. Like I said, you know,
Take a nap.
the only thing about cast iron is it retains heat very well. Hey, good morning, More Medic One. Today we're going to eat a little breakfast, and we're going to thank our new friends over at Hidden Heights Farm, and for their 5,000 subscriber milestone, and they did a giveaway, and I entered it and won. How cool is that? And what I got, and I don't have it in my pocket, but they gave us a $50 Visa gift card and my choice of jellies, and I wanted the blackberry. And I think they were kind of confused about my comment. I said bucket list fulfilled. I've never had blackberry jelly before. I've had blackberry everything else, but I've never had blackberry jelly. So we're going to try it today. Layla, would you like to say the blessing, please?
Yes, sir. God is good, God is great. Thank him for his food. By his name, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Alrighty. Give me a biscuit to start with. Layla, grab you a biscuit.
Let's get.
Can you pass the blackberry again, please?
After you butter your biscuit. Oh, you got it already going. There you go. Here, let me open it for you. I already popped it off, and I had to sample it. Get over to you so you don't spill it. So you're already getting it there on the napkin, baby.
Well, and the way we found their channel is we decided to use our little bit of land and try to make things better for us by growing our own food. We're, of course, starting that process. So the first thing we did was we got a chicken coop. And right now we've got some baby chicks in there growing out, getting ready to go outside. So it's about 3 more weeks and then they can go outside. So it's exciting to know that soon, not real soon, but soon we will have our own eggs from our chickens instead of having to buy them from the grocery store, and we'll know what they've ate. So that's the start of our process. We have lots of things planned. So we've been watching some YouTubers that do the homesteading type stuff, and that is how we found those guys. So we appreciate that we were able to win. That's something when you enter something you never think is going to happen, but you know, somebody has to win.
And we have, you know, plans for that $50 gift card. We're gonna we've got to buy, say, an incubator, and we're gonna get some more. Once these chickens grow up higher, we're gonna have to build a watering system and a feeding system, and it's just a blessing. Thank you very much.
Do you want more? That's enough? Okay. How is it?
Let's gotta try this blackberry jelly on a hot buttermilk biscuit. Delicious. So, if you're new to my channel, The More Medic 1, I welcome y'all. And over the last, well, since about Saturday, I've gotten 200 subscribers in just a little bit of time. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all. But y'all pop over. I'm going to put a link in the description below, and y'all go visit Hidden Heights Farm and their channel. They got some really informative, cool videos that you definitely need to watch.
You like strawberry? This is really good.
Yeah. And all.
So we just wanted to say thank you to Kevin and Rachel over at Hidden Heights Farm. It is a true blessing that we found you and then we're able to win this, and we wanted to make sure that we thanked you. It's absolutely delicious, and I have a blackberry vine that I've started, and hopefully one day I'll be able to make my own. So I know there's a video that I can check out, and that'll certainly help me. So thank you guys from Hidden Heights Farm. This is awesome, and we'll keep watching, and we'll see you soon.
Y'all have a great day. More Medic 1.